Hello, I saw your question on discussion board. You want to construct a confidence interval about the population mean. I cut that part off. You want 95% confidence interval. The sample mean is 15.1. Now this is population standard deviation 6.5, and the sample size is 75. So you want to enter the lower and upper limit this sample, 95% confidence interval. And so I'm going to use stat crunch. It works real nice. So if you go to stat, we're going to use Z-stat since we know the population standard deviation. One sample, we're going to click with summary, and this box pops up. So you put in the information, the sample mean, which is given, the standard deviation for population is given, and the sample size. We want a 95% confidence interval. If you click compute here, it'll give you the lower and upper limits. Hope this helps.